Exercise.
The screen is not showing.
Exercise 11.2. Okay. Question number 7. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. If you will draw a circle with the help of a bangle, there will be center of circle or not?
No, sir.
No. Very good. First of all, draw a circle with the help of a bangle. आप कंपास से ड्रॉ कर लो, कोई जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन ये दिमाग में रखना है कि सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल है ही नहीं हमारे पास. We have to draw this circle with the help of a bangle. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In 9th class, exercise 9.3, question number 3, you have already studied that if a circle is given, how can you find out the center of circle?
The middle.
Yes.
So we'll draw two chords.
Yeah, very good. We will take two chords. We will take two chords. Yes, this chord. This is the chord AB, and this is the chord CD.
C. Parallel chord.
No, not necessary parallel chords. Now we will do the perpendicular bisector of two chords AB and CD. Open the compass more than half. Draw perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. Open the compass more than half. Draw perpendicular bisector of CD.
At the point of intersection would be the point of center.
These perpendicular bisector will meet at that point. That point will be center of the circle. Center of the circle. Okay.
Yes, sir, got it.
Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Take a point outside the circle. Take a point P outside the circle. Read the question. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle.
So draw the perpendicular bisector of OB.
Yeah, very good. Open the compass more than half. Draw perpendicular bisector of OP. You have to done in question number first.
Then we will find.
Okay. M is the
We will draw
midpoint.
circle with B as radius.
Yes, M is the midpoint of OP.
OB.
Taking M as center and P as radius, draw a circle which passes through point P and O and intersect the circle at point T1 and T2. That is T1, that is T2. PT1, PT2 are the required tangents of the circle. Question number 6. Listen to me. AB is 6 centimeter. First of all, draw a line segment BC. Draw a line segment BC.
सर पेपर यहाँ चल रहा है 9th पे कंप्यूटर का, ठीक है, डिस्प्ले है, मैं आगे देखता हूँ।
BC is 8 centimeter. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. BC is 8 centimeter. Okay. At B, draw a right angle using compass. At B, draw a right angle using compass. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now open the compass of radius 6 centimeter. Draw an arc. Draw an arc which intersect at point A. That is 6 centimeter. Join AC. Join AC. Have you done? Have you done or not?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now put the tip of compass at point B. Now put the tip of compass at point B. And draw an arc. Have you drawn? Have you drawn or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now it is. अब क्या है, इतना कंपास ओपन करेंगे इस रेडियस, ये इतना क्या है। अब कंपास ओपन करके आग लगाएंगे यहाँ पे, यहाँ से आग लगेगी यहाँ, ज्वाइन बी, डी पॉइंट, ये पॉइंट क्या होगा, डी पॉइंट, इट इज ए पॉइंट डी। ओके, have you done or not? Have you done?
Yes.
Okay. Now draw perpendicular bisector of BC. Open the compass more than half. Draw perpendicular bisector of BC. So इसको O ले लो या M ले लो. M is the midpoint of BC. Do it. Do it fast. M is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint of BC. Any doubt, any problem? Have you done or not?
Yes.
Okay. Taking M as center, MB as radius, draw a circle which passes through point B, C and D. Which passes through point B, C and D.
Sir, could you please repeat this point?
Yes.
Could you please repeat this point?
Taking M as center, MB as radius, draw a circle which passes through point B, C and D. Put the tip of compass at point M. Open the compass of radius MB. Draw a circle which passes through point B, C and D. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you done or not?
Done. Yes, sir.
किसी को डाउट का प्रॉब्लम यहाँ तक?
No, sir. हाँ, sir.
Okay.
हाँ, sir.
Okay. Now join AM. Join AM. Now join AM. Draw perpendicular bisector of AM. Draw perpendicular bisector of AM. Open the compass AM. Now open the compass more than half. Draw perpendicular bisector of AM. एक अब यहाँ लगेगी, इसके बाद यहाँ लगेगी, इसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे। एक पॉइंट मिलेगा हमें यहाँ पे कोई के। Do it fast.
Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
All the students, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now taking K as center, KA as radius. KA as radius. KA. Draw a circle which passes through point A, B and M. A, B and M. Which intersect the given circle at point P. Do it. Have you done? Taking K as center, KA as a radius, draw a circle which passes through point A, B and M. A, B and M. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Join AT. So AT and AB are the required tangents of the circle. AT and AB are the required tangents of the circle. Steps of construction, have you Have you done?
Yes, sir.
आपने स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन लिख लिए इसके?
Yes, sir. आप जैसे बोल दीजिए मैं
लिख लिया आपने?
Yes, sir.
कोई डाउट का प्रॉब्लम इसमें?
No, sir.
Okay, do it fast.
Sir, but these questions were done.
Okay, okay. Okay, Swasti, okay. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now coefficient of x square is root 2 is multiplied to constant terms. 5 root 2 multiplied to constant terms, it becomes root 2 into root 2. It becomes 2, 5 to the 10. Now make two factor such that multiplication 2 factor will be 10 and addition of 2 factor will be plus 7. Root 2x square plus root plus 2x. 2 and 5 are two factors. 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Okay.
Root 2x is common.
Yes. We can break it. We can break this 2 root 2x square. We can write 2 as root 2 into root 2 x. 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. What is common in first two terms? Root 2x common. Okay. X plus root 2. What is common in last two terms? 5 common? Yes. X plus root 2. Very good. Equal to 0. What is common in these two terms? X plus root 2 is common. Now it becomes root 2 x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Now x plus root 2 equal to 0. Root 2 x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. X is equal to minus root 2 or x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. First, fourth part. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. LCM is 8. 8 to the 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we multiply it into cross multiplication, it becomes 0. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 16. 16 multiplied to 1. 16 into 1 is equal to 16. Okay. Now make two factors such that multiplication of two factor will be 16 and addition of two factor will be minus 8.
-4, -4, sir.
minus 4
-4.
minus 4. Okay, very good. 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. What is common in first two terms?
4x.
4x. Now 4x minus 1. What is common in last two terms?
So -1.
Minus 1. 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. What is common? 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. 4x minus 1 equal to 0. 4x minus 1 equal to 0. It becomes 4x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 4 and x is equal to 1 by 4. Now roots of quadratic equation, x is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. Have you done? Exercise 4.2. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Two numbers whose sum is 27. First number plus second number whose sum is 27. Okay. If first number is x, what is the second number?
27 minus x.
Very good. 27 minus x. समझ में आया? सभी को समझ में आया? Question number 3. Let first number be x. Let first number be x and second number be second number b. Please tell me 27 minus x.
27 minus x.
Okay, according to question, product of two numbers x into 27 minus x is what is 182. Okay, x into 27 it becomes 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Okay, now minus x square plus 27x minus 182 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square can never be negative, so we will take minus 1 as a common factor. X square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. X square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. Okay. Now make two factor such that multiplication of two factor will be 182 and addition will be minus 27. Minus 14 minus 13
minus 14 minus 13.
minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. Okay, what is common in first two terms? X is common, x minus 14. What is common in last two terms? X minus 14 equal to 0. Okay, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Okay.
Yes.
X is equal to 14 and 13. Okay. Case first. If first number is 14. Then second number will be please tell me 27 minus x. 27 minus 14, that is 30. Okay. Case second. If first number be 13, then second number be 27 minus x. 27 minus 13, that is 14. Okay. If first number is 14, second number is 13. If first number is 13, second number will be 14.